What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in today's video we're going to do another take on finding perfect images for your push campaign. So we're going to do another vertical and of course new images, so let's dive in. Alright, so here we go. We're going to do another round of finding perfect images for your push campaign on a new vertical today. But before we dive in, let me tell you that you can still join the Deberoo Suite beta test. So we are testing our service and our new softwares in a beta test. So you can join the Deberoo Suite for free by following the link below in the description. Sign up and you can use all our softwares for free. So make sure to sign up and go to the Deberoo Suite. Now let's see what we are gonna focus on today. So this is the offer I picked for today's video. It is an offer from Malaysia and it's an offer to run in Malaysia. It's a CPA model, SMS billing PIN opt-in on the platform's phone and tablet. The offer has a daily cap of 100 conversions, and this is basically what the landing page looks like. Join now and watch unlimited videos. Select your operator to continue, and that's basically it. And after that, there will be an opt-in. So this is what we're gonna look for. We're gonna search for some images that will be sufficient for this specific offer. Allow traffic. There seems like there are no traffic restrictions, which is good. Let's see. Alright. Other than that, not a whole lot of interesting things to see there. The payout of this offer is €1.18. So let's go into Zero Park and we're gonna press new campaign. I am not gonna fuck around with all the settings, but I just want to show you the creatives. So right here we would make the creatives, and this is where we upload our image, and we can also see our image size that we want. So that's going to be 192 by 192 pixels. So I'm going to go into Canva and create a new design with the right dimensions. There we go. And now let's look for some images. So basically the offer that we are promoting today is a offer where you can watch movies and videos online. So that's what we're going to work with. So what I want to do is start with a sort of an image with a sort of icony feel. All right. So slate, cartoon. So if you don't know what a slate is, this is a slate and it's used in movies and you've probably seen it before. Maybe you didn't know the name, maybe you did. Well, in that case, good for you, awesome. So let's see. This would be a pretty good picture, but I want something that is a little bit more popping. But as you can see, this background is transparent, which I actually like pretty much. So we're gonna save this and see if we can get this a little bit more interesting. So I'm gonna change the background color to show you how you can make this popping. I'm gonna upload the image. There we go. Awesome. All right, I'm gonna crop it myself. Sometimes Canva does an amazing job with cropping, and sometimes it doesn't, and I'll have to do it myself, which is fine. All right. So that's pretty good. I don't really like this image, so I wouldn't use this. I would look for something else, or maybe like this. No, I don't exactly like it, but that is an option to go. Another cartoonish style that you can do with an offer like this is, of course, popcorn. Because if you go to the movies, if you think about movies, you think about popcorn. So let's see. This one is pretty good. It's not as popping as much, even though it's popcorn. So let's see what else we have. What about this? Something like this, right? So those are examples of the approach that you can take, which makes it very generic. It doesn't say anything about the flow or whatever, but people will automatically get the feeling of movies and watching them and having a good time and listening and watching to stories, which is good because we want to get them in that vibe to initially say, you can do this for free with our new awesome platform. You just need to do an opt-in, right? So that is an option. But you can also go more towards the real life kind of thing. So people, why does my keyboard not work? There we go. People in movie theater. Something like this, right? People having a good time with some popcorn. Obviously not the ones with the huge watermarks. But actually, I like that first one, this one. You want to have people in there having a good time because it's a human trait to like seeing people having fun. So if you would see a picture like this, even though it's very relevant right now with the face mask, whatever it is, it doesn't look like, oh, that looks so much fun. I miss those times. I really want to do that. Let's watch a movie tonight. I'm gonna opt in and we are going to watch a movie right here. It doesn't get that feeling. It just feels like, that's sad. You've got to watch a movie like that. And it's good that they do it, but it's sad that we have to, right? That's the feeling at least I get from it. So I would tend more to a picture like this, where people are just carelessly enjoying a movie. And that tends to be a lot more, that grabs us. That makes us want to have that same feeling of having fun at the movies. So let's save this image. And let's upload it into Canva. And once it's done, I'm going to crop it myself once again. Like I said, Canva knows how I want it often, but not always. It will be a little bit too zoomed in, for my opinion. So I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to use it. So what else do we have? We want people having a good time. What is this? What are they doing? What the? Alright, whatever. Okay, so this might work. Maybe people having a good time. In the movie theaters. Holy shit, what's happening? Okay. Not a whole lot of results, but I do like this one. I do like this one. It's not as popping as much as I like, but I do like that blue beam of the movie projector right here, which is a very dope effect, and that makes it pop out just a little bit more. Look at that. And the quality is very good. It's kind of a stock picture, but not really. So let's see what that would look like if we would create an ad around that. So there we go, it's downloaded. I'm gonna drop it. Watch movies for free. I don't know if I can use that word in this ad, but click here to learn more. Something like that. Let's get a cool emoticon in there. Something movie related, obviously. Let's see. Oh, maybe here? Nope. So once again, I would be looking for a slate or a camera. There we go, a slate. Clapperboard, as they call it. Alright, cool. Maybe this, or maybe this. Whatever works, right? So then the ad would look like this. Now, to be honest with you, this image is not good for this ad. Why? Because if it's this small, or this small on your phone, nobody's gonna notice that they're in a movie theater. All we see is that blue light and that there are people here. I can't even tell if they're having a good time or not. So the image, there's too much happening in a too small of an image. So I would be using something else. Maybe just movie theater. Let's see. No, I think I would go with the icon. For sure. Clip art. Let's see what we have here. It's already more like it, right? Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Alright, I like this. I like this. I like this. Did I download it? I did download it. Cool. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like with some clip art image. Let's download this. And you will see this will grab a lot more attention than this image where you can barely see who it is, what's happening, whatever. So I'm gonna quickly copy this just to get you a better feeling of what it would look like. And then we would have something like this. Now, because of the bright colors and the fact that there's not too much happening and what's happening has a lot of space to be happening, basically, you can still tell that there's popcorn, soda, and some sort of candy in there, right? Without looking at this left part right here, because this is bigger, even if you watch it on your phone, looks pretty good. You can still clearly see this is popcorn, this is soda, this is some sort of candy or chocolate, whatever. It grabs the attention because of its bright colors. It's clear what it's about. It's about watching movie. You can already tell that from the image. You get a good vibe of nice watching a movie with some snacks. That's cool. So you're gonna watch or read the headline, and that says watch movies for free. Click here to learn more. Awesome. And if you're into movies, if you feel like watching a movie tonight, you're gonna click on it, you're gonna do an opt-in, you can watch some awesome movies, and we've got a conversion and we are making money, which is the most important part, of course. So that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out the Deberoo Suite Beta. You can still join the beta for free by following the link below in the description, or go to deberoo.com and press on join the beta, and you will get access to the inside and to the awesome software and services that we provide in the Deberoo Suite. So that's going to be it for now. I will catch you next time. Until then, peace out.